Hello everyone, what's up? Let's begin with the third part for the pronunciation of letter E. As we have seen four different kinds of sounds for the letter E, now we have two more different sounds for the same. Let me tell you what these are. When the letter E comes between the two consonants, you'll get the sound A for the same. Okay, means you have to pronounce E as A. To make you understand, let me have some examples. You have a word RED where E is there, but you have to get the sound A for the same, so it will be red. You have another example FELL, so you have to say it fell. You have another example SPEND, so you have to get the sound A for the letter E and you have to say it spend. Let me tell you, E is not pronounced when it comes at last. Okay, so to make you understand, let me have some examples. FILE, you have a word where E comes at last, so you have to straight till L sound. Okay, so you have to say it file. Okay, another example LIKE. Okay, so you don't have to pronounce the letter E and you have to say it like. So these are some rules about it. Now let me tell you, E is pronounced when it comes at last. जब ये लास्ट में आता है तो इसका उच्चारण होता है, बट उसके लिए कुछ गिने चुने वर्ड्स हैं जिसमें मैं आपको एक बताने जा रहा हूँ. एंड नाउ यू हैव टू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट section ki how many words are there where E comes at last and it is pronounced as E. Okay, means reduced sound of letter E. Okay, so I can give you an example, that is FINALE. Okay, where you have to say finale. Okay, so letter E is pronounced in this case and you get the sound E for the same. So I think so you have understood it, and thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.